It's 2.5 years since the referendum on EU membership for the UK and 18 months since Article 50 was unlocked. We're now really at the business end of the negotiations. In reality, though, it looks like little progress has actually been made. The Irish question remains a real thorny issue. The question of the backstop, the question of the hard border in Ireland has the risk to derail the whole Brexit project. Assuming that there is a deal, and that is far from being a given, the next steps for the UK government and for the Prime Minister will be to seek ratification at Westminster. Now that could be a very difficult process. She has a fragile majority, the Prime Minister. The DUP, she may not be able to count on their support. And obviously the hard Eurosceptics within the Conservative Party are likely to vote down a deal that they consider to be too soft. She probably will need to rely on the Labour Party in order to get the deal across the line. And given that the Labour Party has 6 tests that need to be fulfilled for the deal to be accepted by them as the opposition, this seems very unlikely. Assuming that she does get a deal, and that's far from certain, and it's ratified in Parliament, and that's also far from certain, it then needs to be ratified in the European Union, both by the European Council, which is the heads of state and the heads of government, and by the European Parliament. Given the tensions surrounding Brexit, I would say that neither of these is actually a given. So Theresa May finds herself in a very difficult position. It remains to be seen whether she will go the way of Margaret Thatcher, John Major and David Cameron and be another Prime Minister that is again toppled by the Eurosceptic ghost that has haunted the Conservative Party since the Maastricht Treaty.